Hello and welcome to Page Optimizer Pro. My name is Heather Cummins and I'm a Customer Success Manager here at POP. And today we're going to be walking through the auto writing portion of the AI Writer. POP's AI Writer is extremely versatile and is combining high quality writing with data-backed SEO data to produce content that has the highest chances of ranking within the search results. All AI Writer projects start here by clicking this Create New tab on the AI Writer tab. You then have the option to either select an existing report or to create a new report here in the AI Writer where you can start completely from scratch with a new keyword phrase. If you take this option, you'll need to add in your domain name, your target keyword, as well as the language that your site is written in and the basic region where your website operates. Once the tool creates that new content brief, you'll have the option to either use auto writing or guided writing, depending on how much input you'd like to have over your content creation. The guided writing option will give you more control over that content creation, but today we'll be using the auto writing function to show you how to quickly create content. Here, you'll make some selections regarding the target word count, competitors, type of web page, rich content, etc. Our first option here is for the word count. The word count will dictate how many POP credits are being used to generate this particular article. Keep in mind that it takes 2 POP credits for every 1,000 keyword or words that are used within your content creation. That means that if you choose to use 1,001 keywords, then it will be 4 POP credits to create the article. We do suggest that you stick as close to that target word count as you can, and here I'm going to slightly bump up that word count before proceeding. The next selection is to take a look at all of your competitors within search and pick pages that are most closely aligned with the type of page you're looking to create. You can navigate out to each of these competitors in search to take a look at their overarching page, as well as better understand the intent of their pages and their content strategy. Then, if any of these top 3 pre-chosen competitors do not fit, simply deselect them and then select the page that most closely fits with the type of page you're looking to create. Next, we're going to take the type of web page that we're going to create and make that selection here. Currently, POP's AI Writer creates 6 different types of content: article, blog post, product page, category page, product category page, and service page. Articles are typically informative, in-depth pieces of content that answer questions, explore topics, or may even provide a how-to guide. These are typically used for top-level keyword articles in a pillar silo. A blog post is similar to articles, but is typically shorter, used for news, updates, or other short-form content. Product pages, of course, are designed for e-commerce sites with the intent of highlighting individual products. Product category pages can be used in e-commerce to group products or services into similar categories for easy navigation. These pages can be pivotal in targeting broader keywords and niche subcategories to help with organic traffic. Category pages are used in a similar way on blogs. So these group related blog posts under a common topic, like maybe SEO basics. This helps to improve user navigation and support internal linking. Finally, service pages are typically used to convert visitors into leads. Service pages supply detailed information about the service being offered. Today, we'll be doing a supporting pillar post and using the blog post as the type of page that we're looking to create. Next, you have the option to connect your ChatGPT API key by inputting that data here. By doing this, you'll greatly cut down on the number of credits being used to generate your article. The rich content selection can have quite a bit of bearing on those overall number of credits being used here as well. Deselecting some of these items or decreasing the count of items being used can greatly decrease the number of overall POP credits being used. Here you can see that the main POP credit that we're using is for these lists, and by deselecting this, we've greatly reduced the number of POP credits being used. Feel free to adjust these numbers to best fit the article and type of content that you are creating, as well as to keep an eye on the overall number of credits being used. Keep in mind too that you also have a new option here under the internal linking option to enter in the link of your main page, the page that you want to focus linking on, as well as links to other related pages that provide supporting content to that main page. Use this to help the AI to create that internal linking structure within your articles and blog posts. Finally, if you're describing a product or service, you can add a description of that here, which will help the AI to use that information to write more informed content about your particular product or service. You can also provide the AI with sample content that best fits your tone, brand, and point of view. Finally, you can add in a target audience of the type of people you are looking to connect with this particular article or page. Then you can set your tone of voice, the type of author you would like the AI writer to be, as well as any brand information that might be pertinent for the AI writer to use for inspiration. Your final choice here on this page is to exclude any specific words that you don't want the AI to use. These could be terms that you feel like give away the fact that an AI writer is being used. Additional information might include misused industry terms or even competitor brand information. When you're satisfied with all of your selections here on the configuration page, simply click that Generate button and take a look at that final tally of POP credits being used. As you hit Generate, the AI writer will begin to create the content and outline of your article. Once the article has been completely generated, you can click into any paragraph and edit the paragraph with your thoughts. You can also regenerate this paragraph up to 5 times within the AI for no additional credits. Keep in mind that the more specific your instructions are in terms of the type of revision that you would like to see, the better the output from the AI writer will be. In addition, as you click into each paragraph, you also will have the option to view history, which is going to allow you to see the various revisions you've made to each paragraph and choose the one that best fits your content. Images created using the GPT Image 1 model have lots of options as well. If you're happy with the image that the AI has created, simply download the image by clicking into the image and hitting the download button. If, however, you'd like to slightly alter the image, simply hit the Regenerate Image button and paste in your instructions into the prompt to help the AI understand how you would like the image to be altered. Click Generate Image, and the AI will use your instructions to regenerate the image and allow you to download it. When you are satisfied with your final piece of content, go ahead and click the Download As button in the bottom corner and pick the format that best fits your CMS for uploading to. Don't forget to set Pop Watchdog to keep track of your results in the SERPs. I hope that you found this information helpful, and as always, good luck optimizing.